Hello everyone, welcome back. So today what we are going to discuss is about worries and problems. I think there can be nobody in this world without worries or problems. But if your worries or problems is not in your hand or not in your control, that's when the real problem comes. So today's activity, what we're going to do, can help you demarcate between what are the problems that you can worry about and what are the problems that you need not unnecessarily worry about. For this activity, you just need a pen and a piece of paper. If you have readily, you can take it. So first what you need to do is draw a big circle. Very good. And inside that, draw a smaller circle. So just next to the circle, you're just going to list out the problems what you're constantly worried about. For some it can be one or two, for some it can be endless, so don't worry about it. Just list out the problems. Now coming back to the circle, the outer circle, the bigger circle, are the problems which are not in your control, and inner circle are the problems which are in your control. To give a small easy example for this, let us take, you are worried about going late for your exam. It is something which is in your control, so put that in the inner circle. Okay, but let us say especially you are worried about the questions that may be asked in the exam. You are the one who is not preparing the question paper, so constantly worrying about the questions that is going to come in the exam goes to the outer circle. So in this way, you're going to differentiate between the inner circle and the outer circle. So after you have listed the problems, put the list of problems in the inner circle and the outer circle, filling them up. And you can easily identify how many of the problems or how many of the things which you're worried about is in the inner circle and how many is in the outer circle. If majority of the problems are in your outer circle, that means you're worrying about things which are not in your control. But if majority of your problems are in your inner circle, those are some things which you can easily work on and you can come out of the problems. In the same example what I've given, if you're worrying about going late for an exam, you organize yourself to go to the exam early, arrange it at least 15 minutes before so that you're not going late for the exam, so which is in your control. And an example for an outer circle, you are constantly being worried about questions that are going to come for the exam. As I told before, it is clearly not in your control, but getting yourself better prepared for whatever questions they might be asked, that is in your control by preparing yourself better. And I think this was a useful video. If some of you have done this activity, please put in the comment section how many of your problems were there in the inner circle and how many were there in the outer circle. You need not share your problems. If you want to, you can share. I'm just asking you to put up how many were there in the inner circle and how many were there in the outer circle, so that it can help you analyze yourself better and what you're worrying about. Thank you, and hopefully I see you soon in another interesting video. Bye.